Welcome back guys. I'm back with a brand new tutorial in the series of Python beginner to advanced with map function. So map is a very important and useful function in Python programming. Let's see map function. The map function applies a given function to each item of an iterable, either it is list, tuple, set, etc., and returns a list of the result. Okay. Let's take an example that you have a list of numbers and you want to get the square root of all the items in the list. So the easiest way, or you can say the easy way in your mind, is simply a for loop with the list and then take the square root of each item and then store in a list or in a tuple. But in Python there is a function, map function. It will take two arguments. One is list, or you can say one is iterable and another is function, and then it will apply that particular function to each item of the list, tuple, or any iterable, and then it will return a list of result. So let's see some practical example of map function. Okay, so this is simplest function to get a square. So we define a function with def keyword. Before that, as you are seeing the syntax of the map function, map, then the function name, whatever you function you want to apply to each item of the iterable. So if your iterable is a collection of names and you want to return the length of each user, what is the length of the name of each user? So we'll make a function to calculate the length of the string of the name. Then function will be a calculate name length, and iterable will be a list, a tuple, a set in whatever iterable you have taken the names. We will see that example as well. Map function. So here we are defining a get underscore square function. We will pass a parameter and it will return the square. And we have a list of items 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 9 7, and map function, then we are passing this get square and then we are passing the list. So first parameter will be an function that will return something, and second parameter is the iterable. So here you are seeing after comma there are dot dot dot. That means you can pass n number of iterables. Print a result. So let's see, execute it. So map function returns a lazy object. So map function return a lazy object. So to see the result of this result variable, we will use this list function. So if you will square each item of this list 1, 4, 3, 9, 16, then 25, and 36, and then 49. So it is taking the square of each item of the list. Instead of list, you can put tuple or any other variable. Passing multiple iterators. So sometimes you are on a project and there will be a situation that you have two lists and you want to perform or you want to calculate something between these or those two lists. So taking an example for this practical example, I am taking two lists, item list 1, item list 2, and I have defined a function get multiply result. That means it will take two parameter, number 1 and number 2, and it will multiply both the numbers and return. I have taken two lists, list 1 and list 2, and initialize the list, then main function passing the function and the iterables. I am taking two parameter because I am passing two lists. If I will pass four list, then I will pass four parameter here. Then it will execute. So as here you are seeing that it is multiplying two numbers and then it is returning. So according to me, it should return 11, 24, 39, 56, 75, 96, 119. Let's see. 11, 24, 39, 56, 75, 96, 119. So it is working very fine. So we will see one more example. Like we have a list of names. Names equal to Aman. Then we have another name Arav, or we can say Avnish. Then we have Sheetal. Then we have Anu Priya. Okay. So we have a list with 4 names, and we want to calculate the length of each item in this name list. So guys, here I am just taking the 4 names, but in real time scenario, in a particular list, you are getting the data from the database in a list, and you have thousands of, or you can say hundreds of names in a list, and you want to calculate the length. So I'm defining a function get strlen, and this is name here parameter, and then we will return length of name. That's it. And result goes to map, then get string length, and then our list, and that's it. And list of result. So as you can see, the length of this name, first name is Aman, is 4, Avni is 6, Sheetal 7, and Anupriya 8. So this is one of the example that you have a list of names, list of strings. You may have list of text or list of paragraphs, and you want to perform some action. You can I'm giving you a very simplest example. You can make an example of like you have a list of articles, and then you want to find out some keyword in that particular each in each article, and then you want to make a list that how many times a particular keyword have occurred in a particular article. So this is one of the examples. So map function is very useful. You don't need to use the for loops and all other complex things. It made a developer life very easy. Thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe my channel and like video. Thank you.